friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're going to be going to a place I've been wanting to go to for a very long time. It has actually been used in a few movie sets here and there in the last 30 some odd years. So I finally figured out where it was and now we're going to go visit it. So let's check it out. It's the Cabazon Dinosaurs. Alright friends, it's really windy out here, but check that out! And you can see it back there. It is a T-Rex, so we're gonna go visit that as well. So, if you remember a couple of the movies from the 80s and 90s, like Wizard and Pee-wee's Big Adventure, it was right here. Childhood nostalgia, right? Gotta rock. Thank you. Thank you. I can't find any more. Got one. Alright, got one rock. Couldn't find another, so we're good. kind of creepy, but there's his eyes. That's the way down. Alright, we're gonna head down. It's getting pretty windy out here, so. It's a nice view up there, so you will like it a lot.
Okay.
But it's windy.
Yeah.
We were up there. Oh, look there, not too bad. What's the free prize? We have a stamp, notebook.
Ready? Okay,
Smiley T-Rex. T-Rex stamp. A little prize from the rock. Alright friends, there you have it, our trip to the Cabazon Dinosaurs. Now, as I mentioned before, I've always wanted to come here since I was a kid when I first saw it on Pee-wee's Big Adventure and The Wizard back in the early 90s, and just recently found out where it's actually located. I knew it was in California, I just didn't know exactly where. Now, if you want to plan your own trip to the Cabazon Dinosaurs, I'll put the link in the description so you can find out all the information you need on location, admission, and any other information as well. And the cool thing is it's a nice little stop if you're heading towards Palm Springs in the east, or you could also go shopping at the outlet mall nearby. We'll end it here for this adventure. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a good and fun time. If you do like this adventure, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.